Let's read the story. The Elf on the Shelf. In the wintry realms of the North Pole, a magical village bustled with activity as Santa Claus prepared for the festive season. Among his many helpers were the Scout Elves, sentinels tasked with observing children's behavior and reporting back to Santa. One particular Scout Elf, named by tradition as the Elf on the Shelf, was selected for a special duty. Each year, this elf would visit homes worldwide to watch over children and ensure they remained on Santa's nice list. The Elf on the Shelf possessed a magical ability to move around the house while the family slept, reporting back to the North Pole nightly. Every morning, the elf would return to a different spot in the home, providing an opportunity for the children to discover its new location. The story behind the Elf on the Shelf began when Santa selected the elf to carry out this essential task. The elf received its magic and powers through a special ceremony at the North Pole, where it was bestowed with the ability to watch, listen, and report on children's behavior. Upon arriving at a home, the Elf on the Shelf introduced itself through a charming letter, encouraging the children to name the elf. This act of naming the elf was believed to give it additional magic, allowing it to receive direct messages from the family. The elf's primary mission was to observe the children's behavior throughout the day and night, taking note of their actions, whether they were kind, helpful, or polite. Each night, while the household slept, the elf would fly back to the North Pole to provide a detailed report to Santa Claus. As Christmas drew nearer, the elf's presence served as a friendly reminder to children that Santa was always watching, encouraging them to be on their best behavior. It also added an element of excitement and wonder to the holiday season as children eagerly anticipated the elf's nightly adventures. Throughout December, the elf embarked on whimsical escapades, often getting into playful mischief around the house. Sometimes it would be found perched atop the Christmas tree, hiding in the stockings, or engaged in mischievous antics alongside other toys. The children were delighted by the elf's antics, eagerly searching for its new location each morning and recounting the elf's nightly adventures. They understood that the elf's observations were vital in determining their place on Santa's list, whether they'd be rewarded with gifts or required to improve their behavior. On Christmas Eve, as the magical season reached its peak, the Elf on the Shelf completed its final report to Santa. With its mission accomplished, the elf bid farewell to the family, returning to the North Pole alongside Santa and his reindeer to assist in the delivery of presents on Christmas Eve night. The tradition of the Elf on the Shelf fostered joy, excitement, and the spirit of goodwill among families. It instilled in children the values of kindness, good behavior, and the anticipation of Christmas morning surprises, all while creating cherished memories during the holiday season. As Christmas Day dawned, families awakened to find the elf had departed, leaving behind fond memories of its playful adventures and the warm anticipation of a magical Christmas morning. The tradition of the Elf on the Shelf continued to bring joy and enchantment to homes worldwide, embodying the festive spirit of Christmas. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.